Hey, my name's Andrew, one of the brothers of bargains here from Ride Time. And if you're seeing this video, it means you have come here to learn more about the exciting opportunity. We at Ride Time are looking for technicians, and we would like to think that we have probably one of the most competitive pay plans that are out there. And I want to just go over why we think our pay plan is so competitive and maybe why someone might choose to work here opposed to an OEM store at a flat rate shop. One of the things that the flat rate shop doesn't necessarily tell you, or it sounds better, is being able to produce hours. If you're able to produce more hours, it works out very well for you. But it's twofold. One problem is that it's harder to hit your hours working on OEM warranty than it is customer pay. And any tech that's worked in a franchise store knows that. It knows that the hourly rates that the OEM give you for warranty isn't the same as what you can get out of the book. And we use Mitchell, for example. If you take a flat rate, and I just want to use the $32 an hour, you know, some guys get paid a little bit more than that, some guys get paid a little bit less. If you're at a flat rate shop, and the flat rate shop has to keep you busy. If they don't keep you busy, guess what? You're not going to make your hours. And if you're not going to make your hours, you're not going to get paid what you agreed to get paid. And how do these numbers work? Well, if you're only 75% efficient in a flat rate shop, your hourly rate that you're supposed to be getting paid is $32 an hour, right? Well, guess what? It's actually $24 an hour. And those kind of shift. If you're at 80% efficient, you're only making $25.60. If you jump up to 90% efficient, you're at $28.80. You only get to your $32 an hour as if you're 100% efficient. And if we go all the way up to, 125% efficient, you're only making $40 an hour. So I will kind of put that in comparison to how we like to pay our tech. One of the things is we pay our techs hourly. What does that mean? Well, if I'm paying you hourly, I better find a way to keep you busy. For that reason, we've always had a very, very busy shop. This is where this efficiency bonus we're really excited about because it gives guys the opportunity to make more money. So we'll talk about the efficiency bonus. If you're over 85% and under 90%, we're gonna give you $1 an hour. If you're over 90% and under 95%, we're gonna give you $2. Over the 95, under 100, you're at $4 an hour. If you're at 100% to under 105, you're making $6 an hour extra. And if you're 105 to 110, that's $8 an hour. And if you're over 110% efficient, you will get a $10 an hour bonus. So if we go back to our example, in a flat rate shop, you have to be 125% efficient to make $40 an hour. In our shop, if you're at 110% efficient, guess what? You're making $42 an hour if your rate's 32. And then on top of that, it's easier to hit. As we talked about before, it's easier to hit your efficiency because our jobs pay customer pay labor rates. We don't have OEM warranty to worry about. That is why we're so excited and really excited about our pay plan. And we are looking to add a tech. Preferably, we're looking for somebody that's Red Seal or somebody that can write safeties. So if you're going to work every day and maybe it's not as busy, maybe you're not hitting your hours, or maybe you just don't believe in the company that you're working for, you feel a little bit like a number. Ride Time, we are a family owned and operated business. We're looking to grow with techs and we're looking to somebody to grow with us. And we're looking to reward people that put in the work. So if you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out to myself or our service manager, Matt, and we'd love to set up an interview. Again, my name's Andrew McIver, one of the brothers of bargains here from Ride Time. And at Ride Time, we have your ticket to ride.